Don't vacuum my feet, Nyah. You got to vacuum the carpet, not my feet, girl. You're doing a beautiful job. You doing a good job? You tired? You tired? You ready to stop? Okay, you want to cut it off? You don't want to cut it off? Okay, keep vacuuming. Did you vacuum the hallway?
No.
Well, vacuum the hallway, girlfriend.